In this video, I want to show you how you can use the bulk generate feature of the AI text generation feature of the Megapack. So once the Megapack is loaded, next to choose an option, we want to select AI text generation, hit OK. And then on this next screen at the top, as we want to be creating in bulk, we want to tick bulk, which will then give us this screen here. Now, the first option we have in our bulk AI setup is what model do you want to use? So by default, the program will select the current fastest model available to it. But if you want, you can choose from any of the available models here. And if you want further information on any of the models here, I would encourage you to look them up on Google. And that way you can learn a bit more about all the strengths and the weaknesses of each one. But for most people, leaving it on the default model that it selects will be perfectly fine. So after this, it asks us to choose the file where the prompts are located. So as we are bulk creating from prompts, what we want to do is create a text file like so. And in our text file, we just want to put one prompt per line. And that's how the program will then bulk create. So let's put in, tell me a 300-word story. A dog named Mrs. Parker who loves to bark. Tell me a 500-word story about a cat who was trained to win a boxing match showdown against dog. Tell me a story about a rabbit who for some reason barked. There we go. So I've got 3 prompts, each on a new line. And then once you've got all your prompts in this file, I'm just going to save that. And then if I head back into the Megapack, and then I'm going to hit browse, and I'm going to choose that text file I've just created. After this is the option to choose where I want my output to be saved. So with my output, it will create a text file for each of my prompts, and each text file will be the name of the prompt, and obviously in that text file will be the generated content. And then after this, we have the option to fine tune our generation by setting a variety of settings here. I'm not going to go into detail about these here because for most people, the defaults will work perfectly fine. But if you do want to know a bit more about how you can fine tune your results, I do recommend researching each individual setting yourself. So after we've got all my setup, I'm just going to hit bulk generate here and then wait for the process to complete. Now, I'm just going to sit here and wait for this process to complete for this video, but you can, of course, just leave this running in the background and get on with other day-to-day tasks whilst this is generating, and it will still work perfectly fine. So as you can see, we've got our first 2 already here, and we're just waiting for our final one. And it's completed. So now if I go into this folder, you'll see I have 3 text files, each with the name of the prompt. And if I go into each text file, you'll see it's generated my desired content. So that's about Mrs. Barker. And then we've got about a cat who's training for a boxing match. And then finally, we have one about a rabbit who barked. So I hope this quick introduction video to the bulk generate feature of the text generation feature of the Megapack helps you. Thank you for watching.